Hello students, welcome back to my class. Tell me, have you done your previous work of chapter 10? Yes or no? Tell me. First tell me, what is the name of chapter 10? Yes, how is iron made? Exactly right. So today we will discuss about in small scale work in their home for making things. People, those who are making things in their home, that is called small work, small scale work. And here only few people's work, or sometimes one person is working, but in big factories or industry, hundred or thousands of workers work day and night. This means that a factory is a place where things are produced at a large scale. Understood? You the meaning of small scale and large scale? Small scale means at home, those who are preparing that manufacturing things, and large scale means the things that are manufactured in factories. Now you know what are the things necessary or required to run a factory. Understood? First, the most important thing is big building. Big building is required for making things, or for production raw materials are required. Electricity, water is necessary thing. Okay, water is very necessary thing. Then labors, so many labors are there. Labors, so many labors. Heavy machines are required for that big factory. Understood? Then electricity is required, and electricity is provided by a government. Understood? Labors and all these things are necessary, and very necessary thing is water. Understood? Now, for there is a large iron factory in our Chhattisgarh. What is that one? Yeah, that is in Bhilai, a district of Durg in Chhattisgarh. Okay, that is Bhilai steel plant. Understood? Yes. Now I'll tell you another thing. Most of the factories are situated on the banks of river, because the water is required in a large amount. Okay, in large quantity, and this river, and if river is near, then it will be less spending on water transport. Simple. That is why most of the factories situated on the banks of river. For the safety in factories around the big machines, a net is fitted. Okay, in big machines, what is fitted? Net is fitted there. Informations about accidents are given by alarms. For the safety against 5 machines are fitted. Workers wear helmets and other braces for facing dangers. For the safety of worker in a factory, helmet is used for protection from smoke. Mask is used. For the safety of hands, what is used? Hand gloves are used. Understood? And for the safety of body, thick dresses is used by the workers. Understood? Now you know what are the measures should be controlled for pollution arising from this factory. So government will have taken many things, like factories should be away from the cities. Chimneys should be constructed to control smokes. Machines should be there to purify wastewater of factories, and wastewater of factories should be not allowed to pollute the rivers and ponds. So this is your today's work. You have to write with nice handwriting. Write neat and clean and be happy.